News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade and National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India ALIMCO is a Schedule C Mini Ratna Category 2 Central Public Sector Enterprises registered under Section 8 Not-for-Profit Motive of the Companies Act 2013 corresponding to Section 25 of the Companies Act 1956 is functioning under the administrative control of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities. It is 100% owned Government of India Central Public Sector Enterprises with an objective of benefiting the persons with disability to the maximum extent possible by manufacturing rehabilitation aids for persons with disabilities and by promoting, encouraging and developing the availability, use, supply and distribution of artificial limbs and other rehabilitation aids to the disabled persons of the country. Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India, a CPSU working under Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, invites applications for filling up the following positions on direct recruitment basis at Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India headquarters at Kanpur. One post of Company Secretary, initial place of posting Kanpur. For detailed information regarding eligibility and other requirements, interested candidates may visit Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India website www.alimco.in. Candidates may forward their application in the prescribed format to the concerned authority. Last date of receipt of application in the corporation is 14th June 2021. Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, deemed to be university, is a premier institution of education, training and research in the area of international business set up by Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. Besides research and management development programs, IIFT conducts full-time MBA International Business, MA Economics specialization in trade and finance as well as executive programs. For its Delhi and Kolkata campuses, the institute invites application in the following areas. In discipline of finance, one post of professor and one post of assistant professor. In discipline of marketing, one post of professor. In discipline of information technology, one post of professor, three posts of assistant professor. In discipline of quantitative techniques, three posts of assistant professor. And in discipline of trade operations and logistics, one post of professor and two posts of assistant professor. Eligible and interested persons are required to apply only in the format available on the website www.iift.edu/vacancies. Incomplete applications and applications without the required attachments will be rejected. No documents will be accepted in hard copy. Last date for submission of online applications is 26th May 2021, 5 p.m. Only online applications will be accepted through www.iift.edu/faculty-recruit. Incomplete application form without photographs, scanned signatures and other documents shall be summarily rejected. IIFT shall not entertain any correspondence in case of incomplete information and evidence. Candidate must take a printout of the complete application form before submission. This is a fresh advertisement. Those who have already applied for these posts against the earlier released advertisement of the institute need to apply again. National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL has been set up by the Government of India as a corporation under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways to fast-pace construction or upgradation or widening of national highways in the northeastern region and areas that share international boundaries with neighboring countries. Applications are invited from dynamic, effective and experienced eligible officers working in central government ministries or departments, autonomous bodies, public sector undertakings, state government departments and state government public undertakings on transfer on deputation basis. General Manager T/P Regional Offices of NHIDCL located in northeastern states, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, etc. 20 post of Deputy General Manager T/P Regional Offices of NHIDCL located in northeastern states, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, etc. 5 post of Deputy General Manager Finance Regional Offices of NHIDCL located in Leh, Ladakh, J&K, northeastern states, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, etc. 20 post of Manager T/P Regional Offices of NHIDCL located in northeastern states, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, etc. 5 post of Manager Finance T/P Regional Offices of NHIDCL located in Leh, Ladakh, J&K, northeastern states and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, etc. 1 post of Manager Legal NHIDCL Headquarters or Regional Offices T/P Regional Offices of NHIDCL located in Leh, Ladakh, J&K, northeastern states, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, etc. 2 post of Assistant Manager HR NHIDCL Headquarters or Regional Offices T/P Regional Offices of NHIDCL located in Leh, Ladakh, J&K, northeastern states, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, etc. 6 post of Junior Manager HR NHIDCL Headquarters or Regional Offices T/P Regional Offices of NHIDCL located in Leh, Ladakh, J&K, northeastern states, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, etc. 1 post of Junior Manager Legal NHIDCL Headquarters or Regional Offices T/P Regional Offices of NHIDCL located in Leh, Ladakh, J&K, northeastern states, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, etc. And 1 post of Junior Manager Rajbhasha Headquarters NHIDCL. Further, NHIDCL reserves the right to prepare a panel of selected candidates for filling up the indicated and future vacancies that may arise in NHIDCL. The number of vacancies in the post may vary depending upon the requirement. Last date for submission of application is 31st May 2021, Monday up to 1800 hours. For detailed terms and conditions, please visit www.nhidcl.com. Officers presently serving in the central government ministries or departments, Army, Navy, Air Force, autonomous bodies, public sector undertakings, state government departments and state government public undertakings and satisfying the prescribed eligibility criteria may also apply for the post on deputation basis in the prescribed proforma along with copy of ACRs or APARs for last 5 years. No objection certificate, NOC and vigilance clearance VC. Those applying for appointment on deputation basis can be of any age. Subsequent to their retirement, they may be allowed to continue in NHIDCL on contract basis, subject to both party agreeing to it. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.